Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're here, you're probably wondering how to start freelancing and take control of your work-life balance, right? Well, you're in the right place, because today I'm breaking down freelancing into super simple steps that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your freelancing journey and maybe even land your first client. So grab a notebook and let's dive right in. Step 1. Figure out your skills. The first thing you need to do is figure out what you're good at. Freelancing is all about offering your skills to clients. Think about what you're passionate about or what you already know. Are you good at writing, designing, coding? Maybe you're great at social media or video editing. If you're not sure, make a list of things you enjoy or have experience in. Don't worry if you're not an expert. Yet many freelancers start small and grow their skills over time. Just focus on what you're confident in and build from there. Step 2. Choose your platform. Next, you need a platform to showcase your skills. There are so many freelancing websites out there like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who are looking for specific skills. Take your time to explore these sites and choose one or two to focus on. Pro tip: look at other freelancers in your niche to see how they describe their services, how much they charge, and what their profiles look like. It's a great way to get inspired and understand the competition. Step 3. Create an awesome profile. Now let's talk about your freelancing profile. Think of it like your resume, but even better. Your profile should clearly show what you do, your experience, why someone should hire you. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you could write something like, "I'm a passionate graphic designer with 3 years of experience in creating eye-catching logos, social media posts, and more. My goal is to help businesses stand out with stunning designs." Don't forget to add a professional-looking profile picture and some samples of your work. If you don't have samples yet, create a few mock projects to show off your skills. Step 4. Set your rates. Setting. Your rates can be tricky at first, but don't overthink it. Check what other freelancers in your field are charging and start with competitive rates. For example, if you're a beginner, start on the lower end to build your portfolio, maybe $10 to $20 an hour. As you gain experience and reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Remember, you're offering value, so don't undervalue yourself. Step 5. Start applying for jobs. Now it's time to start applying for jobs. When you find a job that matches your skills, read the description carefully and tailor your proposal to that job. Here's a quick formula for a winning proposal. Start with a friendly greeting and introduce yourself. Mention why you're a perfect fit for the job. Highlight your skills and experience. End with a question to keep the conversation going. For example, "Hi, I'm excited to apply for this project because I specialize in specific skill. With 3 years of experience, I've worked on similar projects like give example. I'd love to help you achieve specific goal. Could we chat more about this?" Make it personal and avoid copy-pasting the same pitch everywhere. Step 6. Deliver amazing work. Once you land a job, it's time to shine. Always communicate clearly with your client, meet deadlines, and deliver your best work. Clients appreciate professionalism and will leave good reviews if you exceed their expectations. Those reviews will help you get more jobs in the future. Remember, happy clients, successful freelancing career. Step 7. Keep learning and growing. Finally, freelancing is a journey. The more you learn and improve your skills, the more opportunities you'll find. Take online courses, watch tutorials, or even learn from other freelancers. Stay consistent, don't get discouraged if things are slow at first, and keep putting yourself out there. You've got this. And that's it. Starting freelancing might feel overwhelming at first, but if you follow these steps and stay committed, you can absolutely succeed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's thinking about freelancing, And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.